Ever wanted to make your text jump off the screen and grab everyone's attention? Let's get started in Adobe After Effects. First, create the new composition. Adjust your composition settings to your preferred dimensions and desired frame rate. Then click OK. Next, grab the Type tool and click on the composition to type your text. Customize your text in the character panel by choosing your font, size, and color. Now, let's animate it. Select the text layer. In the timeline, we are going to explore the scale properties, so click the little arrow next to text and transform to find the scale properties, or hit the hotkey S. Place your playhead at the beginning of your timeline. Click the stop watch icon next to scale to set a keyframe. Now, move your playhead a few frames forward. Change the scale to 0%, then move your playhead forward again and change the scale to 100% to reveal the text. To polish the animation, select all the scale keyframes, then right-click and select Keyframe Assistant. Then ease. From here you can go into the graph editor and customize the speed and curves for more visual appeal. And there you have it, a clean and effective text pop-up animation. You can experiment with different effects and timings to suit your project.